In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share Google Drive links on Facebook Messenger. First, open your Google Drive app. You'll see all your files and folders here. Now, locate the file or folder you want to share. Tap the three dots next to its name, then select Share. Under Manage Access, tap the People icon. By default, it's set to Restricted under General Access. Tap Restricted, then select Anyone with the link. This allows sharing your Google Drive file with anyone. Next, choose the permission level. Viewer means they can only view the file. You can also select Commenter or Editor for Google Drive collaboration, depending on your needs. Once set, tap the Copy icon to copy the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Now open Facebook Messenger, find the conversation where you want to send the file, tap the text field, select Paste, and hit Send. That's how you share Google Drive on Messenger. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.